Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll try my best to help you fix this problem. Alright, so I know my friend had the same problem. Farcry 6 started to stutter a lot, and also black screen, he had this problem as well, and the games just start to close automatically. I didn't have this problem, but I'll try to help my friend, and I helped him, and I have two solutions for you as well. So now guys, let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. I know your time is important and you just want this solution. You don't want me to just ramble a lot. So what you have to do guys is to go on Windows Update, and I will not suggest you necessarily to update your Windows, which is not I'm not saying it's a bad idea, you should, but what I suggest you is to actually go to advanced options, and here scroll a little bit down, and here you should have optional updates, and from here select driver updates. Make sure you update your select all the updates that are related to Windows to things that are related to drivers and things like that. If it's something Logitech or you see here display, you don't have to, it's not really important, but make sure you install that. Super important to install the latest driver, because when I bought this laptop, because I'm using a laptop right now, I used to have guys tons of updates here, and usually people will recommend you to install update your Windows, but they don't tell you to update to go here as well from driver updates. Okay, so that's what I created this video to show you, this method, because this what solved my friend problem. And make sure you're doing this, and as well as you can also go to the game. Alright, you can also go to the game and you right click and you go to properties, and from here you make sure you go to compatibility, and then you run this program as administrator. You also make sure you go to the game and do this as well. That's very important as well. And now is the last step. The last step method is to go to device manager, and you go to display adapters and you update your driver. You can also go that driver and browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from, and here make sure you select your driver and install the latest. Another thing guys, you can also go to GeForce Experience, and from here you can go to drivers here drivers, and here make sure you go to downloads, and you can also from here select game driver, ready driver. Alright, so I hope guys this video helped you. I hope this problem got fixed. Please let me know guys in the comment section if this video helped you, and if you solved this problem. I really want to know if this video helped you. Okay, if not, I'll look for other solutions, and also make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate that, and it will really help a lot this small YouTube channel. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and take care.